Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS 17 is installed and your iPhone is unlocked. This matters because menus differ by OS. Once done, identify the shortcut that sends the notification so you can target it. Now open Settings and scroll to Shortcuts. This is where notification permissions live. Make sure Shortcuts has permission toggles visible. If not, you may need to update. These first steps get you directly into the right system panel, so you can change behavior rather than guessing. Now you navigate into Shortcuts notifications and choose the specific automation or personal shortcut. This pinpoints the source. You'll see an Allow Notifications toggle. Turn it off to suppress all alert banners, sounds, and badges from that shortcut. Alternatively, you can keep Allow Notifications on and disable banners or sounds to reduce intrusiveness. Choose what fits your workflow. Make sure to press back to save changes. iOS applies settings immediately, so test the shortcut after adjusting to confirm the new behavior. To finish, run the shortcut to verify notifications are gone. This confirms the change worked. If notifications persist, double-check whether the shortcut is being executed as an automation or from an app. Automations sometimes use different notification paths. Make sure focus modes or notification summary settings aren't re-enabling alerts. If problems continue, restart your device and, as a last resort, reset Shortcuts preferences in settings to clear stuck states. This usually resolves lingering notification issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.